People are calling Chinyere Udoma's latest song controversial. Personally, I do not see anything wrong with the song. However, the truth is that it should have been clearly labeled as not for children 18+. The song can be classified as gospel music, but it is not suitable to be sung in church where children are present. It can raise many questions that children may not understand and that adults may find difficult to explain. The song sounds like an honest confession of someone who has faced many temptations but has decided to remain faithful to God's principles despite all challenges. If anyone does not like the song, they are free to go to the studio and produce their own gospel song that is suitable for children.